I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling parts and marking the layout on the cardboard. Cut 2 symmetrical eye housings now. This sets the optical baseline. Once done, test fit the lenses and phone to confirm spacing. Make sure to leave a central divider for nose clearance and ventilation, because heat and alignment matter for image clarity. Glue basic seams but keep some flaps loose for later adjustment. This lets you fine-tune focal distance and interpupillary spacing without recutting. Next, you set the optical geometry and phone mount. This is the complex core. Place lenses so each focuses on half the phone screen. Measure 30-40 mm from lens to screen and adjust for your vision. Once aligned, build a cradle that holds the phone at that angle. Reinforce with glue and a backstop to prevent slip. Then blacken interior surfaces and add foam to seal light leaks. Finally, balance the headset with straps so weight sits on the forehead and not just the nose. Finish by calibrating IPD and focal clarity. You will tweak small shifts until images merge. Once done, run a VR test app and walk through head tracking to confirm gyroscope response. Make sure ventilation is unobstructed so your phone doesn't overheat. If things feel off, adjust lens-to-screen distance in small increments and recenter the phone. These changes usually fix blurriness or double images. If persistent, swap lenses or try a different phone model to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.